Aida for refusing to let my neighbor borrow my Wi-Fi password for his parrot? Body. So my neighbor 40M knocked on my door yesterday holding a giant parrot named Captain Beakerson. He asked if I could share my Wi-Fi password because apparently the parrot gets bored and needs YouTube to watch other parrots. I thought he was joking, but he pulled out a tablet, opened YouTube, and showed me a playlist called Parrot Reacts to Parrots. The bird literally squawked every time another parrot appeared on screen. I said no, because I don't want my internet bill skyrocketing thanks to a bird binge-watching parrot mukbangs. He got offended, said I was denying Captain Beakerson his right to digital enrichment, and stormed off. Now he's telling the whole building I am cruel and anti-bird. So Reddit, Aida for refusing to let a parrot stream YouTube on my Wi-Fi? Top comment: imagine bro, that bird doesn't need Wi-Fi. It needs therapy.